Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure your phone already has a fingerprint enrolled in system settings. WhatsApp uses that hardware, so it must exist. Once done, update WhatsApp to the latest version. This avoids missing menu items. Now open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Account, then Privacy. Make sure you're on the app's latest privacy screen before proceeding. These steps let WhatsApp detect the system biometric option and display the app lock setting. This is the first actionable stage to enable fingerprint locking. Once in privacy, find and tap the app lock or fingerprint lock entry. WhatsApp labels it clearly. You'll toggle the switch to enable the requirement, and the app will prompt you to authenticate with the registered fingerprint. Press your finger naturally and wait for confirmation. After authentication, make sure to pick a lock delay. Immediately if you want maximum privacy, or a short delay if you prefer convenience. Making this choice now controls how often you must rescan, balancing security and usability. You finish by verifying the lock. Close WhatsApp fully and reopen it to confirm the fingerprint prompt appears as expected. If the prompt doesn't show or the scan repeatedly fails, make sure your system fingerprint is still enrolled. Re-enroll or clean the sensor and try again, and restart the phone if needed. If problems persist, disable App Lock, then re-enable it, or reinstall WhatsApp as a last resort. Make sure your chats are backed up before taking drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.